A 1953 Ford, and it's like an all original engine here. Boy, this light is really, this camera's really working nice. The mileage maker. So excuse me, freaking scrolly letters. Duracell Select. So here's your tag. Single master cylinder, power brakes though. And see what we got for the interior. Pretty Spartan, but you know, it's all there. So it's pretty damn good, man. It's a nice color. I like that blue. Blue with the white top and the white walls and a wire wheel cover, wheel covers. Looks beauty, man. It's a real beauty. I love those vent windows. Besides, you got vent windows in the front and the back. You know, that really, as long as you're going about 10 miles an hour, you got those vent windows. People stay pretty cool. It's only when you're stopped. So, Customline. It's a nice motor, man. Let's get a little bit from the front here again. Very clean style. I mean, I think Ford was way ahead in style than Chevy did back in the early 50s. You know, Ford was really surprising they didn't survive as many. Ford didn't survive as much, but I guess the rust. I don't know what the deal is. Why even Ford motors cost, like, usually a small block Ford might run you twice as much, almost twice as much as a Chevy. But I guess maybe that was a big fatal mistake of Ford with the aftermarket restoration community, you know. The Mustangs you can get a lot of stuff for, you know. Mustang's a king in the hill for Ford there.